What is up, YouTube? Happy 4th of July weekend. I am super excited about this weekend. My first time back home in the States in a while. I am very, very happy to be here. Looking forward to some fireworks and barbecue and just a lot of fun. But before I do, I am even more excited about offering you the most epic bonus you're ever going to see for one of the most epic sales of the entire year. I'm talking, of course, about the Freedom Sale from Omar and Melinda Martin, and I have the craziest bonus I've ever offered for anything ever. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of the Freedom Sale. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as bad as well. My mother's hamburgers on the 4th of July. Sorry, Mom, but you know, get a grill. Don't put them in the oven. But seriously, anyway, sorry, that's just a joke. Not real, just a joke. Relax. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Seriously, Bart? Seriously, every single time? Do you know how annoying that guy is all the time? Yakety, 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 over and over and over again. Non-stop with the crap. Get a new line, Bart. Seriously. The 4th of July. Celebrate some independence. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my head to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love this. She's a sweetheart. Who can get angry at her? You know? Anyway, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Freedom Sale from Omar and Melinda Martin. And I got to tell you, by the way, I am really jealous because I bought the Freedom Sale package a couple of years ago, and I love it. I think it's awesome. And I paid double what you're going to be paying for it. Okay, when I bought it, it cost me $97. You're going to get it for just $47, which I think is just bonkers, absolutely bonkers. I want to show you the sales page real quick, and then I want to show you the members area and what's included. But before I do that, let me show you something real quick. So this is the sales page for the income formula, one of my best-selling courses that really did very, very, very well for me, made me a ton of money. Okay, this sales page cost me a lot of money to have developed. I made a ton of money off of this sales page. I mean, seriously, I have made tens of thousands of dollars from this sales page. Check this out. This is my latest product that came out a few months ago called Unbeatable. Notice something similar? I'm using the same sales page. Okay, yeah, the text is different. Obviously, some of the graphics are different, but it's the same basic sales page because it works. It does really, really well. I have never, ever, ever let anybody have this sales page before. Okay, because this is my secret weapon. This is what really makes a ton of money for me. And for the first time ever, I'm allowing you to grab this sales page. Okay, I'm going to give you the exact template, plus I'm going to give you the software to use with it completely for free. Okay, it won't cost you anything to implement this. It works under WordPress. You do need a plugin. I'm going to give you the plugin for free. I'm going to show you how to use it 100% for free. You want to spend a single penny in order to use this sales page. But that's not all. I am also going to give you 2 of my complete products. Okay, first of all, check this out, the income formula. This one is one of my best sellers ever. You're getting PLR, meaning you have the right to rebrand it, sell it, use it as you like, use it as a bonus, sell it as your own, whatever you want. You can't call it the income formula, obviously, but you can sell it as your own and make a ton of money off of it. You're getting PLR to the income formula. Plus, I'm giving you PLR to local video jackpot, which is my very first launch. Those two launches alone are responsible for probably about $30,000 or $40,000 of income. Okay, $30,000 to $40,000 between those two. All right, and you're getting the exact sales page that I use for these things. You're getting PLR to both of those things. All right, for $47. That is just absolutely insane. But check out what is included here. So I want to show you this. I actually bought the Freedom Sale. This is not a JV copy that I got for free. I paid full price for this thing. I paid $97 for it. As a matter of fact, let me pull up real quick. I'll show you. And JVs do, just in case, just so that you can see that I'm being honest. I don't lie to my customers. All right, check this out. Freedom. All right. Just wanted to load real quick over here, so you can see that I actually paid for this. This wasn't something, you see, $97. I actually paid for this in full. All right. This wasn't something where I actually got it for free. I actually paid for this thing because I thought it was that good. Okay, I want to show you just one of these things. Check this out. This is called Convert Tools. All right. Check out what this thing can do, because this thing is off the hook incredible. All right. First of all, you can give away a free product. Now, these are going to be PDFs, obviously. They're not going to be the full-length products like what I'm giving you, but look how many products you get here that you can give away, okay? Page after page after page after page of products. Let's just pick one at random. All right, let's use this thing. All right, you can actually set up a complete sales page to give this thing away. All right, it's designed for you to give things away and to integrate with your autoresponder. That's what this thing does. And it gives you dozens upon dozens upon dozens of courses that you can give away as a free gift in order to get people onto your list. All right. And you basically, obviously we have to set up a name. So we'll just call this test. And you can put in your own video over here, obviously. Okay. And we'll just click next here. Whatever. Okay, it wants me to put in all this stuff over here, which I'm not going to do right now. Bottom line is, it's going to create a custom-made page just for you with everything that you need in order to be able to sell it. I've used this myself when I purchased solo ads, and it works really, really well. With any solo ads, you can really make some serious money off of this thing. But this is just one of three things. Look at the members area here so you can see. Convert Tools is one of the things. You also have commission magnets, and you also have the I Am Clinic. All right, all three of these are included in the package. Now, and it's all $47 this time. It's not 97 like when I bought it. It's only 47 bucks. Really, really affordable. But I'm going to do something even crazier for you. If you pick up any upgrade at all to the Freedom Sale, all right, then in addition to getting the Freedom Sale, which on its own is incredible, plus you're getting 2 of my complete courses, which have maybe thousands, tens of thousands of dollars. Plus you're getting my sales page template, which has made me over $100,000. Okay. Beyond all of that, pick up any upgrade. And you noticed when we were looking at the campaign setup here that it allows you to put in your own video. Pick up any upgrade. I will make you a custom video, a custom made sales video just for you. You and I will work together. We're going to put together a custom made video just for you. These are things that I usually charge a couple $100 for. You're going to get it completely for free as my bonus when you pick up any upgrade to the Freedom Sale. Okay, there are 2 upgrades available. They're really, really awesome stuff. All right, I can even show you right here what they're going to be. As you can see here, they have My Unfair Advantage, and they also have ACE. These are the upgrades that are going to be available. You can go later and pick them up if you decide you want to pick them up later. That's fine, or you pick them up now, whatever you want. But if you pick up any upgrade, you get a custom-made video. I will create it for you completely for free as my bonus when you pick up any upgrade. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give the tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, like really huge, huge, huge tip of my hat. Okay, at $47, this thing is the world's biggest no-brainer ever. Like seriously, grab this one. This one is so awesome. You're absolutely going to love this. Go now because I will not keep this thing available for very long.